In which of the following situation does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So we have to look at the situation, look at the numbers involved, and decide on if the given sequence is in AP or not. Quite simple. So the answer goes like this. It's given that the initial deposit, right? So the amount of money in the account every year, and rupees 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest of. So we're looking at rate of interest compounded. Compounded means, I'll show it to you. It is 8% per annum. Everything is important over here. So let's make a table out of all of this information. This will help us understand things better. So we're looking at time in years and the amount in rupees, right? So when we initially have deposited 10,000 rupees in an year, whatever interest we get, that will be added to the account. So basically, if you look at, if I make a rough work out of this, so 8% of 10,000, two zeros, and you will get 800 rupees as interest. So you'll get 10,800 rupees. Okay. So this is the basic idea of compound interest. Whatever interest you get, that will be added to your account, and that will be on that you will get the next interest. So second year, so you'll get an interest on 10,800. So two zeros, this will be 64,864. And when we add it, it will be 11,664. Right? Yeah, that sounds correct. So then we look at the sequence that makes up the numbers which makes up the sequence are 10,000, 10,800, 11,664. And now we have A1, A2, and A3 are your terms. We can conclude that as A2 minus A1, which is equal to 800, is not equal to A3 minus A2, which is equal to 864. And so we have this implies as a difference between consecutive terms are not same. The sequence is not an AP. That's it. Quite simple. So same question, if it was simple interest, that would have been by default an AP, because simple interest will not add up whatever interest you get back to your account. So that works on a different manner. So please remember, when we're looking at compound interest, things will change. It won't be the same interest every year. And thus the add-on will be a different amount, right? And so we're looking at the difference between consecutive number to be different. And so it's not an AP.